Hello guys and welcome back. In this video I will show you how to set up Google Authenticator in Bitfinex. So before starting this video, make sure to like this video and subscribe this channel for more amazing content. First, create a new account in order to set up Google Authenticator. So if you are creating a new account, you will see this option. So here I have just finished working on my sign up form. After giving all the details on sign up form, I have been landed to this page where I have been asked to secure my account via Google Authenticator. So if you haven't downloaded Google Authenticator yet, you can find it on Play Store and App Store as well. Tap on I have installed the app. Now the next step is to copy this setup key, and now we have to open Google Authenticator. So over here we have to tap on this plus button on the bottom right corner of the screen and then tap on enter a setup. Write down your code name. It can be anything of your choice. So here I will write Bitfinex. Now paste the key which we copied from Bitfinex and then simply tap on add. So simply copy this code of Bitfinex and then tap on next. So over here we have to write down the code. So tap on paste code which we copied from Google Authenticator and then click on continue. So our Google Authenticator setup has been completed. Now it's time for the verification. So we have to check our email. Open your Gmail. So here I've got the email. I will simply tap on confirm email address. And our account has been created, as well as our Google Authenticator has also been created for our account in Bitfinex. So I hope this video will help you. If so, please like this video and subscribe this channel.